The Galaxy Z Fold 5, the 5th generation foldable smartphone from Samsung, is set to be the most advanced foldable yet. With a spacious 7.3-inch display, an ultra-thin design, and the latest camera technology, this device promises to be the ultimate all-in-one pocket-sized powerhouse. Expected to offer a truly revolutionary experience, here's everything about the next-gen Z Fold 5.
Ready to be happy.
Design and display. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will likely feature a design that is similar to the Galaxy Fold 4, with a 7.3-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED when unfolded, and a resolution of 1536 x 2152 pixels, which will provide users the ability to capture or display more visual information in incredible details and clarity.
Fabulous.
The best part is that you can use the phone as a tablet or a regular phone.
Oh, really?
The phone will have a clamshell fold that will open like a book. When it comes to Samsung's foldables, one design element we're hoping to see less of is a crease. While most users won't even notice this after some time, we'd still want to see Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, conceal this minor flaw in an otherwise fantastic display.
They will. They definitely will.
Performance and battery life. Samsung is yet to confirm the battery life of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, but we can make an educated guess that it would be around 7 to 9 hours because that is what we have seen in other high-end devices. You should be able to get through a full day of work with moderate usage with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. And if you are a heavy user, you can always carry the included fast charger with you so that you can juice up your device when needed. And if that's not enough, the phone is rumored to have a 4,500 mAh battery and 128 gigabytes of storage.
Wow.
There is also speculation that the phone will come with 2 batteries, one on each side of the fold. Whatever be the case, we expect the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to come with a bigger battery and fast charging capabilities. For connectivity options, learn in the coming minutes which peripherals can be connected to the Galaxy Z Fold 5.
Amazing.
Camera and software detail. The 5th iteration of Samsung's foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, is expected to be equipped with an improved camera and upgraded software. The phone will feature a triple-lens rear camera setup with a 64MP main lens, 12MP ultra-wide lens, and 12MP telephoto lens. On the front, it is rumored to have a 40MP camera. The camera is expected to deliver higher clarity photos and videos even in challenging lighting conditions. On the software side, it will come with the latest version of Android 11 pre-installed along with One UI 3.1 on top. With One UI 3.1, users can expect improved performance with faster app launch times and smoother scrolling animations.
Incredible.
It'll also come with native support for Google's 5G technology for enhanced connectivity and super fast download speeds. Although exact details have not been confirmed yet, users can expect an impressive array of features from Samsung's upcoming foldable offering. To truly experience a new level of convenience, portability, and style with this powerful foldable phone, subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest Galaxy Z Fold 5 news and get a glimpse of its amazing features. Connectivity. You'll be glad to know that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will come with a range of connectivity options, including the latest 5G technology, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.1. This means you can stay connected no matter where you are, with blazing fast speeds on the go.
Yes, really fast.
There is also support for dual SIM cards, which will allow you to use 2 different networks at the same time, allowing you to quickly switch between them if needed. The device will also come with Samsung Pay and Samsung Knox for added security. The Samsung Knox platform helps protect your data from malicious attacks. Moreover, Samsung has also added several features to ensure that your device remains safe from any malicious activity. All for a price you'll uncover in the coming minutes.
Should be good.
Availability and pricing. As far as availability and pricing are concerned, Samsung hasn't released any information yet. However, we can expect the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to be a lot more expensive than its predecessor, the Fold 4. However, TechRadar says, if this foldable line is ever to be truly mainstream, then the price needs to drop. And we hope Samsung starts decreasing it with the Galaxy Z Fold. You can also expect a range of discounts and offers from the company when the release time comes closer. Even at full price, Samsung's devices are always worth the money. They offer top-of-the-line specs, great design, and a seamless user experience. When it comes to availability, it's safe to assume that the device will be available worldwide soon after launch. We'll keep you posted with details on pricing and availability as soon as they come out. So far, it looks like the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be a powerful and versatile phone. It will have a large screen that can be folded in half, making it easier to carry around than a traditional phone. It'll also come with a stylus and plenty of storage space, making it perfect for business users or anyone who wants a powerful phone that doesn't take up a lot of space. Another great gadget to look forward to this year is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you're thinking about purchasing the S23 Ultra, it's important to think about the benefits and drawbacks of doing so. Check out our next video for the possible cons to expect from the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra.